Are you still manually copying data from Revit schedules to Excel? Stop wasting hours. I'll show you how to export it in just 10 seconds. Hello and welcome back to ARCHI Tools. In this video, we will discuss about how you can get the Excel data from Revit in a matter of seconds. Let's get started. So here I am in Revit and I have a door schedule. This door schedule, I want it in my Excel format. So how I can do that? Just go into the file and in the export option, just drop down till we get the reports option. Click on this. And after that, you would find an option for schedules. Just click on that. If you have your Revit version 2022 and above, you would get CSV format. That is for the Excel format. Just provide a file name and the location and click on save. Let's keep the options in default mode only and click on OK. So this is the Excel file which I have opened, and you would see that I have all the instances, all the fields which was present in my schedule. So that's how you can just export your schedule in Excel file. Another way, if your version is 2021 and below, for that, just go on the same procedure, export it, go to the drop down list, go on the schedules. But this time, we won't have the option for CSV format. We would only have the option for text. So just select this. I'll name it as something like 2 and save it. Keep things, the settings as it is here and press on OK. So once you have done, just go to the Excel and go to create new blank workbook. And now you have to import your data, what you have just downloaded in TXT format, into this Excel. I have to go into data and I have to get data from text, and I have to search for that text file. So this was my text. Click on import. Everything is fine over here. I'll keep things as it is over here and click on next. Next, it is asking for how I want to delimit the options. Just press on comma over here and press on next and hit the finish key. So that's how you can just create a schedule using your text also. If you found this helpful, hit the like and subscribe button, because this is just the beginning. See you in the next video.